I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread Filipino style. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need very ripe bananas, which are key for natural sweetness and moisture. We'll also use all-purpose flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt for the dry base. For richness and structure, have your eggs, sugar, and oil or melted butter ready. Don't forget, optional additions like yub extract or cheese can give it that unique Filipino twist. Now let's get to crafting the perfect batter. Begin by mashing your very ripe bananas thoroughly until they are smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients, the eggs, sugar, and oil or melted butter, until they are well blended. Next, gradually add your dry ingredients to the wet mixture, folding them in gently. Remember, it's important to mix just until everything is combined to ensure a tender, moist loaf. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure even cooking. Carefully pour the prepared batter into a greased loaf pan, making sure it's evenly distributed. Bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, and the top is a beautiful golden brown. Let it cool completely on a wire rack before slicing for the best texture. Finally, let's explore some delightful Filipino twists and serving suggestions. For a unique flavor and vibrant purple color, try adding a few drops of yub extract to your batter. Another popular addition is shredded cheddar cheese, which offers a wonderful savory sweet contrast. Serve your delicious banana bread warm or at room temperature, perhaps with a cup of coffee or a refreshing cold drink. Store any leftovers in an airtight container to keep them fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.